Alright, how's it going, guys? We're gonna do some creek fishing here. We're on my uncle's property here in Indiana. It's as close as I'm gonna say for a hint. But he has a lot of private land out here, so we're gonna fish this creek that goes through his property. And this is actually the best spot that I've ever been to catch smallmouth. And her only smallmouth she's caught has been here. So yeah, we're really excited about today. It's perfect out. It's like 70 degrees and kind of sprinkling and just cloudy and cool out. So hopefully it'll be good, and hopefully yeah, no smallmouth are spawning just yet, but we'll see. So oh crap, I said it. All right, well, hope you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully we do well today. All right, if I remember correctly, there's a good little pocket right here. And I'm in the tree. So I said let's be nice and quiet. I ruined it already. No, it's okay. We casted enough in there. I'm gonna. Got something.
Oh.
Creek chub.
My gosh, he's so tiny.
I know.
Wow.
That's a small one.
He's so cute. You can hold their mouth still in that little. Don't step on him.
Yeah, I don't know where he went. That's fish number one. He's right there. He's swimming down. Do you see him? There's a few of them.
Oh!
Yeah. Yeah, he got a good look at it. He was going after it, and then he looked at it and was like, nope, I don't want that. Dang, they were there. They're just swimming calmly down the river. We might need to change baits. They're not wanting to go after these. They're literally right here. I see them. Oh yeah, reeled in. I don't know why they're not scared of us. He's literally just chilling right there. Oh my gosh, they're so cool looking. Okay. Got him.
No way.
Why is my thing not reeling in?
Wow, is that a largemouth?
It might be a spotted bass. I think it, hold on. Sweet. Here, can you hold this? Mm-hmm. It went after it that time. There we go. Little guy, but he's thick. I don't know what the tongue patch feels like. Oh, that's a spotted, I think. Let me know if that's a spotted. I think its jaw looks. Oh, maybe it does extend past his eye. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what that is. I think it's.
Nice. All right.
I think it's a largemouth.
I thought you said it was a spotted.
Here, I'm gonna cast.
I see fish. There's a bass. There's a bass. He sees it. He sees the thing.
Probably scared it.
Oh, Jordan, you're gonna hit the
Creek chub. I'll take it. Where's the bass you saw?
He's in there. Well, it might not be it. I think it's what you caught earlier. Spotted.
Oh, spotted or a largemouth?
Yeah.
Alright.
Right.
Another creek chub. Oh.
Where you go?
I'm gonna have to get you a smaller bait.
If he's right there, I feel Is that a bass? It's a creek chub. Oh my god.
What did I get?
Salmon.
Those might be all creek chubs over there. That's
Look at him.
okay. That's
Wait,
a good
can I
one.
touch it?
Touch the horns. They're poisonous. I'm kidding.
Wait, can I touch him?
Oh, they're so slippery. I can't lip them. That's a good sized creek chub right there. I'm gonna give you a smaller bait because
No, trust me.
you'll catch more. I mean, we might need to go way downstream.
Oh no.
Oh, I got something. Is that a sunfish finally? Green sunfish. Look at the colors on this.
Oh, he's a cutie.
So you can, ow.
Look at his tail.
Okay, ow. I did not grip him well at the start. There you go.
Oh, he's pretty.
Yeah, they're really pretty fish. Look at the colors.
Wow.
They look like they belong in like the tropics.
Now put him somewhere safe.
Here.
What is this?
Oh, I didn't even show the camera. Whoops. Do you see it?
Where? Oh, he's so scared. Aw. Oh, you got it.
What is it? Oh, it's another green sunfish. Ooh, that's a bigger one. Oh, you wanna see him? That's a good sized one.
Whoa.
So that's why
Shock. Look, he's not moving.
I'm gonna get, when we get out of this spot, I'm gonna give you something else because
Okay.
I want you to be able to catch stuff.
I don't get how I used to get. Oops.
Oh, crap. Alright, I got it. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit on his mouth. That's okay though.
Oh no.
Look at that fish. They're so cool. Look at their fins. There's like orange on the tips. I love these guys. Green sunfish.
There he goes.
I don't know if they're here. Oh, I got another creek chub. Dude, I'm catching like
You caught like 50. This is a great video.
not a lot of bass. Check out this creek chub. It's got a cool line on him. It's a good one again. Is that what it was the whole time?
Wow.
Geez, I thought that was a bass. Oh my gosh. There's like, this turned into like a creek chub heaven. Yeah, this is why you're not catching anything on that because, oh dang it. All right, whatever.
Where'd he go?
He's right there. That looks like a straight up bass.
I was gonna hold that one. Whoa! Jeez. Why is his tail cut off?
What? What are you talking about?
Oh.
They have orange on the tips. I really like that. Oh. Want to see him?
Wow, I like the glue.
I love these ones.
Beautiful.
Green sunfish.
Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Oh, get out of there. Got one.
What? Oh.
Green sunfish. Nice. Look how cool that is.
Whoa.
Hold on, I'm gonna cast right. Wow, this whole area like changed. Got something good. Oh, that's a big green sunfish. Whoa. Wow, that might be, I don't know. I'm not gonna say the biggest. Could be. Oh my.
Beautiful.
All right, check this guy out.
Waiting.
That might be one of the biggest green sunfish I ever caught. They're eating a ton.
Oh, poor guy's bleeding.
Cool.
Don't throw him.
I'm not.
Jeez.
He's ready to go. It's pretty much like constant fish catching with something small. That's why I want to give you this. What is that? Oh, that's not good.
Jordan. Oh, I can't watch it. You hooked him in the side?
Yeah, hopefully. Okay. I think he'll be all right.
Crap.
That is a shiner, I believe. Check that out.
Is he bleeding a lot?
Look at the pink on it.
Where did you put him?
Just on the bottom.
Where?
It'll be all right. That's really cool.
It's coming out?
Yeah. This one's really easy to hold.
Put him further back. Jordan, I see him. You're right in front of him. Or is that a sucker? You see it?
Uh-uh.
Come here. He's right there. He's moving really slow. I think it's a sucker. He's on the bottom. Straight ahead.
Oh, there's a bunch of suckers on the bottom. Do you see them?
No. There's one big one. Please don't catch a sucker. Those are really cute.
I've never really caught a sucker with... Whoa.
Okay.
What is this?
Smallmouth.
I wish. It's okay though. Salmon. Uh-oh. Oh, come on. Let me get
Chub.
it. Hey, you know. Oh.
Yeah, I see the horns.
All right. That's a long, skinny one. Creek chub.
Creek chub alert.
My gosh, we might have to do like two parts.
These fish are safe.
All right. Then we go get it.
I'll go on the log over there.
I'm gonna go get it.
What? Oh, Jordan!
Whoa! What just? Whoa!
For you.
Hold on one sec. We'll see. I cannot believe that just freaking. That was crazy. Oh crap! There are bass. Oh, there's some kind of fish I'm scaring off.
I know. I said there was a big one in there.
Oh jeez.
What?
Hopefully my bag is still waterproof.
It's really deep.
I'm on my toes right now.
Do you see it?
Yep. Luckily this water's clear, else I'd be really freaked out. I still might get freaked out. Jeez, Jimmy, you really got that.
I'm sorry. It needs to be more careful.
Oh, now my hand's all. Reel it in.
I know I need to be more careful.
Ah, great. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh jeez, everything's running away. Some way.
They like this. A little nose. They're trying to mate with it.
That sucked. Oh. Now my.
No.
Do you see the things going after this?
Yeah, they look big.
That's a bad hook. That's a bad hook set.
Jordan. Is it on
So you
top?
can catch stuff with this, it's just really hard. Here.
What? No, I don't want to touch it.
Okay, you gotta get that. That's a big one.
Jeez, why is he so pink?
What? It's a male.
You almost got his eye.
I think I did.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah,
No way.
it's still there.
Did it fall off?
No, it's okay. Here, can you hold this?
Oh, it's set in his face. Is that what's wrong?
No, it's good now. All right. Look at that guy. That's a pretty big creek chub. What was this? Creek chub. Okay, so cast into there. There's creek chubs and bluegill and maybe a bass in that whole deep area. It's so hard to get the hook out of creek chubs' mouths. Why? Because they have like all this flesh underneath.
Oh, I think I've had one.
Uh oh.
Help him.
I know.
Oh!
Jamie's first fish. Oh wait, you gotta let the thing down. I'm gonna show you how to do this.
No, I know how to do it. You can...
So you put your hands, you slide your hands down on it.
Oh, I'll do a different one. I don't like the fin.
Put this down. And then slide your hand down on it.
On the fish?
You gotta hurry.
Okay.
Grab the line and then slide your hand down.
Is it gonna prick me?
You gotta slide it down so the fins go down.
Okay.
Watch out for the hook.
Okay, hold on. I'm nervous. Okay, hold on.
I get the hook out.
Get the thing out.
Okay.
Don't laugh.
Fake. Okay, now you can put your. What? Why did you just throw it, Jamie? Okay, here, hold this.
I'm sorry, get him. Hurry. Oh, I didn't need to throw him, everyone. He just I panicked.
So,
I did it.
you want to put like these on the back of their fins like that?
Did you see I touched it?
Yeah, good job. Okay.
Let the record show I did it. Oh my god. Besides the last part, but.
All right, let's.
No.
You want to keep going? Creek chub.
Is it on there?
Yeah.
Did I hook him bad? He looks bad.
No, you're good.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
Okay, they're really slippery.
Are they spiky?
No.
Watch me do it. He's bleeding a lot, Jordan.
It's okay.
Is he gonna figure out?
No, he's not gonna spike you. They're really just go on him, and I got this.
Oh, why is he wiggling so much?
You gotta stop reeling it in so much. Why do you get it all the way to the tip?
It's really bleeding. Can you help?
Okay, here.
He's not
Switch
coming out.
pulls with me. Drop him. Here, just hold this.
Look how much blood is on me.
Okay, next time you catch fish,
Put
you
him in the water a little
gotta
bit.
keep it this down.
Okay, you're gonna hit me. He doesn't come out. Okay, whatever.
Nice. Here,
Why
I'll
is he
just show
sounding
this.
like that?
Jamie caught a nice creek chub. I think that's our first creek chub
Okay,
ever.
Help him. Oh no.
He's good.
Crap.
Here.
I couldn't get him off.
You gotta pull that thing up.
I couldn't get him off. Also, my hand's really slimy now.
I know. He was.
Ew, why does my hand feel like that?
Cause they're really slimy for some reason. Okay, well that's gonna be the end of the fishing video. Not what we were expecting, but Jamie caught 2 fish. Props to her. We switched to a smaller bait, which was needed, and it worked out. Well, this creek was just mainly creek chubs this time. But the last time we were here, last summer, like around June, there were smallmouth everywhere. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if they've gotten a lot of rain, and because the water seems pretty shallow the whole way down. But we got one largemouth, so that's good. And then it's weird too because we didn't catch any largemouth last year, so I don't know what's going on. What? You freaked out? All right, well, thank you guys for watching. I'm not gonna be able to show every fish I caught because it's mainly creek chubs. But let's see how long the video is. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more great videos coming up. They're gonna be great.